Step 1. Make sure the air pressure of right wheels and left wheels stay on the same level. Check whether there is any deviation between wheels and unbalanced tire wear. If not, front tire harness adjustment is necessary. Step 2. Turn off the key switch and straighten the steering wheel. Step 3. Use the tape to measure the distance between the middle of two front tires and mark on tires. Step 4. Push the vehicle backward. Turn the tire half round. Then the marks on front side of tires can be shown on the back side. By adjusting the nuts or ball joint to change the distance, please fasten the screw nuts after adjustment. Step 5. Measure the distance between two marks on the back side of front tires. This distance should be 3 or 5 mm larger than the first distance, which is measured in Step 2. Fasten the nuts on ball joint, then loosen the nuts of steering. After that, straighten the steering wheel completely.